How to download Aetna Health app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to download Aetna Health app on your device. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. This process is applicable for both the iOS or Android devices. So first of all, make sure you have a stable internet connection on your device. You have to launch Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and make sure to sign in to your Play Store or App Store. Tap the search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap the search bar at top of the screen and type in Aetna Health app. Make sure that you choose the official Aetna Health application to download. Now tap on install button and you have to wait a few seconds or minute until the download process has been completed. So downloading depends on the stable network connection of your device. So during the download process, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Once it gets downloaded, you need to open and then easily sign up to your account and use Aetna Health application on your device. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.